All right, gang. Now, these are the previous UJ trade that I was talking about on Friday that we're going to hold these trades over the weekend just to see if we could, cop some good profit to the upside on this UJ trade. And that's what actually happened. But we got stopped in profit. Our stop loss was way in profit below this market structure right here. And, this entry that we had it yesterday on Monday, got stopped in break even. So that's it for the UJ trade. But check us out on these gold trade right now. Beautiful selling coming down to the downside, gang. Right now, our stop loss is all the way here at break even. Well, a little bit below the initial entry. So just want to do a quick breakdown based on why we actually took this trade, right? So the previous weekly candle actually closes bearish. Nice bearish engulfing on the previous weekly candle, knowing that we're coming from a retest of the all-time highs up here. So I was definitely looking for some sellers to start coming in the market to start pushing down this market. However, last week was pretty crap. The price action was definitely off last week. So, this week we're definitely looking towards some nice movement in the market. All right. And as you can see, we have this little memo right here is that looking at either continuation sells or reversal buys. All right. Now we actually got the continuation sells because I only trade continuation and reversal. That's all. All right, gang. So after seeing these pull back to the Fibonacci 61.8, which is a premium zone, I know that, more than likely sellers is gonna actually come in and start pushing down this market because at the Fibonacci we retrace to 61.8, and we retest these previous highs here as well. So as you can see, hey, bring these movement to the downside, and now B does the retest of AIs, right? So now we're just holding this trade to the downside as far as we can, because as you can see over to the left hand side we have this nice beautiful clean zone. As you can see, there's no structure right here but just pure clean zone, right? So we're definitely see if we could hold this trade right down to the downside and see how much profit we could actually cop out of these trade, right? So very simple, nothing is not rocket science, right? Just a few confluence and just to go with the flow of the market. All right, so let's see how this trade plays out.